First things first, unlock your Android device and tap on the Google Play Store icon to open it. Once you're in the Google Play Store, use the search bar at the top to search for Telegram. Now, you're on the Telegram Messenger app page. Tap the Install button to start downloading and installing Telegram on your device. Telegram will request some permissions, like access to your contacts and media. These permissions are necessary for the app to function properly. Tap Accept to grant these permissions. Just wait a moment for the app to download and install. The speed may vary depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button. Tap on it to open the Telegram app. If you already have a Telegram account, you can log in. If not, you can create a new account by providing your phone number and following the on-screen instructions. Tap on Start Messaging. Tap Continue. Then a tap on Allow. Now select your country on drop-down menu. Now enter your phone number and tap on bull arrow. Tap on Yes and then tap Continue. Now allow Telegram to access your phone call logs and tap on arrow. Now you get code and mobile number verification successful. And that's it. You've successfully installed Telegram on your Android device. Now you can start chatting with friends, join groups, and enjoy all the features Telegram has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe us. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.